Welcome to Kutchism. They are doing their exhibition at Shivranjani, the display space, all happening from 10th of November to the 14th of November. कलेक्शन में उनके पास बहुत ही सुंदर एक्सक्लूसिव मास्टरपीसेस हैं जिनमें आपको मिल जाएगा ब्राइडल वेयर, अजरक, साड़ीज, दुपट्टास, आभास एंड बहुत सारा कुछ. To check out the collection, you will have to swipe. In this section we are covering beautiful Rai Bandhej गजी सिल्क साड़ीज जिसमें भी आपको बहुत सुंदर ऑप्शंस मिलने वाले हैं. Let me tell you one thing, these are all beautiful pieces. This is probably the most beautiful thing that you can have in your wardrobe. Look at the color options, look at the designs on them. Again this is Rai Bandhej, तो आपको बहुत ही सुंदर delicate intricate designs मिलेंगे इसमें. See something like this with white and beige का combination, green and white. Just look at it. Something in classic violet. Just see how it looks. Beautiful and then very pretty. Look at that. So in this section we are covering the most exclusive heavy bridal collection. This is their beautiful sari, one of a kind. इसमें भी options हैं. So let's check them out. Look at that. Yet once again, these are all exclusive pieces. These are all beautiful one of a kind pieces. Just look at that. ये सब bridal collection है that you can wear for your day. You can keep it, can be passed down from one generation to another. Just look at that. These are all masterpieces, beautiful for your wedding. Now we check out some dupatta options. So yes, ये आप मल्टीपल वेज में इसको पेयर कर सकते हैं. इसमें भी आपको कलर ऑप्शंस, शेड्स, जस्ट लुक एट दैट, ब्यूटिफुल. In this clip we are going to show you one of a kind exclusive pieces जो सिर्फ एक बार बनते हैं. So look at the beautiful pieces that they have, beautiful options. Just check out the color combination. Look at this one. Something very pretty. See, beautiful. Also, they have lehenga options also. So if you want something like this, very pretty. उसके बाद few more options. Check it out. These are all exclusive, one of a kind. Made once and once only. And with that, look at that, beautiful. Something in beautiful red. So in this section we are going to cover abhas, some Indo-Western options, beautiful options that are perfect. Let me quickly show you options in these beautiful looking abhas. Just look at the color, look at the color combination that it has, very pretty. Classic combination of blue, red, whites. Just look at that. उसके साथ साथ थोड़े से अगर आपको simple subtle plain options चाहिए, then they are also available. Now moving on to some Indo-Western style. If you want something like this, beautiful with a V neckline, they have that also. Something very light yet a statement piece. इसमें भी बहुत सारे colors आपको मिल जाएंगे. Look at that. अगर कुछ cape चाहिए, you want to wear it over your kurtas or something, that is also available. Shirts that were quite famous and trending, just look at that. Put it over a linen pant and you're good to go. So in this section we are going to see beautiful options of Lucknowi, and the first piece that I want to show you is this beautiful lehenga. Just look at the detailing, look at the shades that it has. Beautiful for all your wedding, maybe festivities also. Let me show you one more piece in the same. So we have something like this. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Now moving on to some saris. Let me show you beautiful options in saris. Look at that. Okay, in a different color. दुपट्टा options भी हैं बहुत सारे. So let me show you few dupattas. Just look at that. If you want something subtle, simple, and if you want something like this, then they have options here as well. This is Shivranjani, the display space, and where is it located? Let me give you few landmarks so that you can track it easily. आपको जो अभी दिख रहा है वो एग्जैक्टली शिवरंजनी क्रॉस रोड्स है. शिवरंजनी क्रॉस रोड से आपको यहाँ पे सिलिकॉन वैली फ्लैट्स दिखेंगे एंड वहाँ पे आपको शिवरंजनी द डिस्प्ले स्पेस दिखेगा ऑन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर. So if you are coming all the way from Keshav Bagh, you will find them on your right side, and if you are coming from Shivranjani Crossroads, you will find them on your left side. In this section, we are covering beautiful Gadi silk dupatta, vibrant colors, beautiful options. इसमें भी, like I told you, the colors are simply beautiful. These are one of a kind pieces. They are beautiful, perfect for your wardrobe. Look at that. So many color options. Ombre में अगर कुछ चाहिए तो ऐसा कुछ है. पूरा beautiful, vibrant color. Next, we have something like this. They have so many shades of so many colors. This is a beautiful combination of pink and yellow, as you can see. Something again in peach, pink, beautiful ombre look में. Simple, subtle lilac. Look at. In this particular section, we are covering one of a kind dupatta. So all these pieces that you will see are exclusive masterpieces, one of a kind. हर एक की pattern बहुत अलग है, color बहुत अलग है. So you can pair this with anything, probably a kurta. You can pair this with a sari also. Looks very pretty if you have a wedding. See, like I told you, pattern सब में अलग अलग है, but beauty is this piece. Like I said, one of a kind, exclusive. See again, a different pattern, different combination. Something in green also, very pretty. पूरा with tassel detailing है नीचे इसके, बहुत ही सुंदर. Blue as well. See, something like this. If you want pastel, subtle color option, they have something like this also. Rust orange, which is quite in trend. They have that option too. See. Something like that. In this section, we are going to see beautiful Georgette sarees. Let me show you few of the options. If you want something simple, subtle, pastel options, then they have options in that too. Vibrant में चाहिए, festive में चाहिए, all those options are available. Look at that bright orange. Something for brides, bridesmaids, family members. अगर किसी की शादी है, you want red. Beautiful options. Look at that, shaded में if you want any options. Beautiful pinks, rani pink, black के बहुत ही सुंदर options. Look at that. If you want something very simple color wise, then these are the perfect choices for you. Just look at that. Blue, very pretty. Something in mint green as well. So very beautiful pastel color. Again, पिंक के बहुत सारे शेड्स हैं, उसमें भी ombre इफेक्ट है, शेडेड इफेक्ट्स हैं, as well as green.